What it is, guys? Pal Donnie here, and today I'm gonna review my second fidget spinner called the Blue Lightning, because it's fast like lightning, and it spins like a lightning, a ball of lightning, and it's blue. I just got it from my cousin-in-law. So hey, look, Illuminati confirmed. It's like I'm just joking. So you know this little lock right here? Violet first pulled a prank on William, and then William did this and it didn't spin. William, if you're watching this, if you see the lock right here, and then if you push it down like this, then you'll see that it doesn't spin. So, mystery is finally revealed. William, that's how your mother got it to spin like this. Anyway, enough said. Let's get this fidget spinner going. See how long this fidget spinner is spinning. Oh my god, my brother's talking to his friend next door. I also got my other fidget spinner too, which is the black one. Remember that looked with one of the spikes? Let me get that one out. I'll call it the black spike. Let's put these ones together, and look, they both spin. I know most people don't do this, but let's just see which fidget spinner is the fastest by spinning each one together. Okay. Okay, the black one kind of beat the other blue fidget spinner. Let's switch it up to the top. Ready? Go. Oh, the blue one has beat the black fidget spinner. Anyway, which fidget spinner would you prefer better? Leave it in the comments. The blue one or the black one? Leave it in the comments below. To me, I'm not really a fan of fidget spinners, but these are gifts that my cousins gave me. Like, they're kind of cool, I guess.
Okay, I'm gonna talk to my brother when I get there, and I'm gonna figure everything out. I'm gonna call you in a minute. Yo, let me know how you like them ones too. All right, how do I get?
That's my brother. My God, he's annoying. So, anyway, sorry for that interruption. Let's spin this one more time. See how long it goes. before I end the video. It's kind of cute, actually. It's spinning. I heard if you're in schools, they ban this in schools. These fidget spinners are, oh god. These fidget spinners are supposed to be used for, people with fidgeting problems like this. It's more helpful. Alright. Okay. See you later, guys. And leave a comment and subscribe for content. And see y'all later, people. Peace.